This is a 24 pack of A19s. These are, let's see, 60 watt equivalent, 9 watts actual. They're 5000K, which is supposed to be daylight. And we're going to see if these things are any good, how bright they are, what they look like, because they're going in now. So it looks like that 24 pack was actually 3 8-packs. Like I said, they're 60 watt equivalent A19 bulbs. They're LED. And they're just their eco 750 lumens. Let's see how they do. All right, so again, here they are. They're just standard looking bulbs. I don't know if that's very helpful, but this is the new SYLVANIA LED light on the left. And this was some Home Depot brand one on the right. It was just one I had around the house I need to put in. But here's a comparison. They're both supposed to be 60 watts. The left one, which is a 9 watt bulb, definitely looks like it's brighter. It may be daylight color that's messing with me, but they look fine to me.